Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy tomato pickle. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a selection of aromatic spices. Next, prepare your workspace and ensure all your tools are clean. This simple guide will help you create a flavorful pickle that yields approximately 4 cups, perfect for sharing or enjoying over several weeks. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. Now let's focus on preparing our star ingredient, the tomatoes. Begin by thoroughly washing and drying about 2 pounds of firm, ripe tomatoes. This step is crucial for cleanliness and ensuring your pickle lasts longer. Next, carefully chop the tomatoes into small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch cubes. Remember to remove any green parts or blemishes to ensure the best flavor and texture. Consistent sizing helps them cook evenly, creating a perfectly balanced pickle. With our tomatoes ready, it's time to start cooking. Heat 1/2 cup of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your chosen spices, such as 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, allowing them to sizzle for a few seconds. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of salt to complete the flavor profile. Once your delicious tomato pickle is cooked, the next important step is proper storage. Allow the pickle to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it into clean, airtight glass jars. This prevents condensation and helps maintain freshness. Store these jars in the refrigerator, where your homemade tomato pickle can be enjoyed for up to 3 weeks. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it with rice, bread, or as a flavorful side dish to elevate any meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.